Welcome back to part 4 of my favorite non-Popmart IPs, and today I'm going to be talking about a bunch of different figures, starting off with Dora. Now, I love Dora because I love her angry facial expression. I feel like she's always unimpressed. She's always kind of pissed off, and that's why I really like her. She is from TNT Space, and again, I'll put the series names of all of these below, but I love this one in particular because she has a little jacket on. This one says "The Gentleman" on the back of it. And that's so cute to me. I love her hat. I love that she's holding a little cat. And I'll show you the other one that I have as well. This one is so cute. I love the little details on her pants here. This kind of looks like a little mouth. I love the pocket on her cargo pants. I love the little bag with the tongue out. So cute. I love her beanie. She just reminds me of like a streetwear girl. Like, she's so cool to me. And again, I love her angry facial expression so much. It reminds me so much of myself. But she's so cute. And honestly, another figure I feel like is super underrated, and I feel like the quality of these are so nice, and there's so many different ones to collect. Then I had to give some love to Dudunami. This is from Dudunami Nightmare, and I feel like she's just such a cool girl. I love that her hair color is often like hot pink or black. Like, this ombre hair to me is so beautiful. I love her eye makeup so much. She's just cool, man. Like, she has a lot of attitude, and I love this about her. And all of the figures are so well detailed, and even like the back of her little pigtails, the back of her dress is so cool. I feel like she doesn't get enough attention, man, and I feel like she deserves it. She's so cute. Last favorite of all favorites, this is my number one. This is Yumo from Jotoys, and honestly, Yumo has just stolen my heart. I'm not sure, again, whether he is a boy or a girl. I feel like maybe he's androgynous, or maybe he's just an elf of some sort. I'm not too sure. But I love his little face so much. I love that his series are kind of like fantasy lands, like clouds, like, I don't know. I just fell in love with this particular figure. This, I believe, was my first figure because I've just been collecting beans. So I'll show you those as well. But he's just so cute. I love his little feet. I love his little facial expression. He always has his little mouth open in surprise, but I don't know, he just reminds me of like a fantasy land where everything is like fantastic. I don't know, he's just so cute. But let me show you some of my Yumo beans as well. It's going to be kind of hard to show, but these are all a collection of clouds. I'll put the series here, but I've been like collecting these like a madwoman because I just can't get enough of this. This was my first one. It's like a thunderstorm cloud. This one kind of reminds me of the sunset. Then I have like this purple one here. I don't know, they're just so cute to me. Again, I love anything like cloud related, and so I've just been hoarding these basically. I feel like Yumo series are so fun as well. Like, these are all gummy bears, so I've been collecting as many of these as I can. So I have like a coffee one here, there's a clear one here, this like lime green one. So adorable. And these are the other beans that I fell in love with too. This is also like Yumo, but they're like Tangulu, the little candies, and they're also magnetic, so you can kind of like switch them up and like make your own like custom one. But I don't know, I just fell in love with Yumo, like I've been saying. But if you have any like non-Popmart IPs that you love, let me know below. Share with the class, because I want to know. I need to know if there's something else out there that I'll fall in love with as well. But yeah, bye.